Alrighty folks, this is our weekly walk through the garden. Everything's still looking pretty good. The beans, they're not really doing right, or at least some of them aren't. The pumpkin, it had downy mildew on it. We sprayed it. We'll take a look at it. I noticed this evening, I'll show you that there in a few minutes. The cucumbers down there, it's starting to get some downy mildew on it. We'll go down through. It's been pretty hot. We got a shade cloth. It arrived today. We'll probably wait till tomorrow to put it on. We'll show you what that looks like. It won't go the full length, but I've got another shade cloth that ought to get it pretty close to the end. We'll just stroll down through the tomatoes here. You can see how they're doing. Down here's the aromas. Down there's a couple need to get picked. We'll just walk through here real quick and show you. Don't want to bore you too bad. But no, knock on wood, for the most part, the tomatoes still looking good. And our peppers. And we're starting to get over here on the squash and the zucchini some blooms. Like I said, we got them out late. When I go to spray the cucumbers, I'll probably go ahead and mix enough up to hit these tomatoes with it. That'll never be a pretty good size one. Need to come through and just pull that grass up out of there. Peppers, you can see they're still doing good. We're still getting peppers coming on.
Speak up, Doug. We can't hear you. Speak a little bit louder, clearer, please. Thank you.
One of those purple peppers. And there's some volunteer tomatoes. Now, right over here on this cucumber, you can see how the leaves are starting to get some yellow on it. And the best we can tell, that there is that downy mildew. We'll go ahead and spray them. You can see some of these down here at the bottom there. See a cucumber we missed. Alrighty. Yeah, you can see it's on them too. Hopefully we can get it caught. And then down in there, you see on that one down in there how it's sort of a whitish. That's powdery mildew. Yeah, we'll get these sprayed here in just a minute. I'll cut those leaves there off and get them sprayed. It's just one thing, it's been so humid. Perfect breeding ground for molds and blights like that there. The beans up through here still coming on. Alrighty, We've had one mess picked off of these. These are the Lizzie, the greasy backs. But you can see with the cattle panels how they start falling on the inside there, and then you come through, and you got these darn Japanese beetles. I'll have to come through and spray them. It's been a tough year so far. It's gotten hot and stayed hot. Okay, there's the pumpkin. I sprayed those leaves the other evening. We'll see if it pulls out. I don't know. And here's some of our other beans. They got plenty of blooms on them. And then there's our corn. I'll try to water it this evening. They've been getting rain around in places, just not here. You see these last ones that we strung up, they're coming on up the strings. But you see they're starting to turn yellow. Here's our banana peppers and our other tomato patch out here. We're going to have to string these up some more here. The chickens up there, they enjoy having the garden right beside of them. There's a pretty sunflower. Hello there. How you doing, Donald? You want to talk? Folks, there's our little girl. If you would, please subscribe, hit the bell notification. We sure do appreciate you watching us, folks. You all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.